The Beyit Memorial Complex, which translates from the Kyrgyz language as Grave of Our Fathers, is located in Chongtash village, approximately 20 kilometers from capital city Bishkek. The memorial site represents a dark and painful period of Kyrgyz history, dating back to the days of the Stalinist regime. More recent additions to the site also represent a memorial commemorating the deaths of those involved in the nation's 2010 popular uprising. Beyit is the place where 137 political prisoners and members of the intelligentsia representing 19 nationalities, mostly of Kyrgyz origin, were killed by the NKVD. Accusations of nationalism, pan-Turkism, and treason led to the killings and mass burial of these 137 prisoners in brick kilns during a single night in 1938. The existence of the tomb was kept secret for nearly 50 years, until the deathbed testimonials of a guard and witness to the massacre at Beyit were reported to the Kyrgyz authorities by his daughter Buybura in 1990. A decision was taken in 1991 by the Kyrgyz government to exhume, identify, and relocate the remains to a proper burial site. Identification works revealed that among the victims were important personalities of the Turkic world, including Turukul Aytmatov, Chingiz Aytmatov's father, whom was prime minister at that time; Kasim Tinstanov, Eastern science scholar and founder of the Kyrgyz alphabet; scholars and advocates of the Turan Union movement; Bayalu Isakiev, Yusuf Abdurakhmanov, Abdukadir Orozbekov, and many others. These exhumed and gathered remains were reinterred in a collective gravesite in a square nearby the museum. Beyit, where renowned Kyrgyz author Chingiz Aytmatov is also buried, is little known in the history of the Turkic world. Nevertheless, it is an important place for the Kyrgyz, where they commemorate their ancestors who fell victim to Soviet ideology